This is the question belonging to bounded area, and this is for the class 12, bounded area by the curves, and under the definite integral, application of the definite integral. And now see, I have taken one question here. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to modulus x. First, for the figure, how this will be, we can transform this one parabola y minus 0 is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 x minus 0 whole square, and this implies vertex is 0 0, and focus is, it is this is the parabola symmetric about y-axis and upward open, being the coefficient of x square is positive. So focus is 0 1 by 4. If you draw the graph of this parabola y is equal to x square, this is the parabola y is equal to x square, upward open, and vertex is origin. So graph is okay. Now the second equation is the modulus function. Y is equal to modulus of x. If we break the modulus, open the modulus, then y is equal to plus minus x. And this represents the two lines. Y is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. This is one line. Second, y is equal to minus x if x is negative, less than 0. This is second line. So the graph is x-axis, y-axis, parabola, and this is pair of the, it is the two lines, y is equal to x. So this line is y is equal to x. Bisect the quadrant. This line is y is equal to minus x. Then minus x. Now see, the red portion is the bounded area. Then using the integration, definite integral, we have to solve this one, this equation and the equation 1. So solving y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. What we get? X square is equal to y, that is your x. Take one side, this is x minus 1 is equal to 0, implies either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So this is x is positive or 0, this is equal to y. So this side, then b's coordinate is, see this one, it is your x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, then y is equal to also 1. So this point is 1 1. And this is 0. Now this is sufficient this point is not required because both the figures are symmetric. Area of this bounded area and this bounded area are equal. Curve is symmetric about y-axis, and then modulus lines are also this symmetric about y-axis. So bounded area is also this symmetric about this one. So this area is equal to this area. So bounded area we can take the twice of, twice means this and this double, twice, definite integral 0 to 1, and this one upper is y is equal to x. So this is your x minus of, second lower is y is equal to x square. This is your x square. And now this is dx. This is integral. And this represents the bounded area, this and this twice is there. Now simplify this one, 2, and now this will be x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. And then upper limit, this one is lower, this is upper. Put their values, this is twice, it is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and this is negative of 0 put, so it is 0 by 2 minus 0 by 3, it is here. And now this will be here. So this implies twice of 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. See, simplify, this is 2 into 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 2 by 6. So this is 2 by 6 and it is 1 by 3 unit. Since it is area, so it is a square unit. So this question, bounded area parabola and the y is equal to modulus of x. Bounded area by the curve y is equal to x square, y is equal to x square.